matatawa ka nga kasi dito sa ano, well, ito yung inahawakan ng mga ano ng ating mga kapulisan kung halimbawa ay liability for contempt of court shall not apply if the body-worn cameras were not activated due to their malfunction. Ayun ang ginagawa nila, sabihin hindi nag-malfunction so, lagi silang nakakaiwas doon sa contempt. At since walang liability, contempt lang yung pwede nilang maging liability. Di ba? Lusot. Di ba? Ang hirap din talaga. Sige, Congressman
But of
Patuan.
course, Chairman, kung may aberya sa isang BWC, sa isang operatiba, hindi na naman isa yung mayroon, supposedly, di ba?
Yeah.
Lahat dapat operatiba,
Kailangan.
mayroon.
Kailangan kasi nakalagay dito sa AM, sa Supreme Court, sabi na at least 2 body-worn camera. Pag wala yung body-worn camera, gumamit ka ng alternative devices, yung cellphone. Pwede mong gamitin But unfortunately, hindi nga nila ginagawa Actually, yung mga kapulisan natin, parang hindi sila aware na kapag hindi nag-work yung body-worn camera, you have to get a ARD na at least 2 at nakalagay sa mga conspicuous na mga areas. Hindi sila ganon ka-equip sa knowledge about this en banc resolution. Nilulusutan nila. Yun na nga yung tema ng resolution na filed by Congressman Acop that we are tackling, Yung failure, ito dito nagsimula lahat Kaya we need to address this really badly. Okay, so no more question. Kung walang question, punta po tayo sa next invited resource persons. Ang PNP. PNP. Andito ba PNP? Yes, sir. You are recognized. Your name and position, please.
Good morning to Mr. Chair and honorable members of the committee. I believe, sir, that we have submitted our position paper, but since this is the substitute draft bill, we would request that we would resubmit our position on this, sir, on this matter.
That's it. Okay, so we'll be accepting that. So since right away Congressman Rehancia will call for a technical working group, so we'll be proceeding to the next.
Chairman,
Yes, Congressman Paduana.
sa PNP na tayo, di ba? Okay, now sa PNP, you are now the Directorate for Operations. So previous hearing with regards to body-worn cameras, are you representing the PNP that time? Or is it the first time? This is my first time, sir, to attend. Previously, who represents the Directorate for Operations? I believe, sir, my predecessors ang nag-attend. Sino po? I'm not sure, sir. Yung predecessor mo? From the Directorate of Operations din or from the Directorate of Plan. Yung Directorate for Plans nandito ba? Meron, sir. Bago din.
Yeah, I remember.
Kasi, Mr. Chairman, why I'm asking this? Because, again, for continuity, dapat yung mga dumadalo dito, yun na mismo. But of course, there is a major reorganization within the PNP, especially now. Patapos na rin si PNP chief, di ba? So we will expect again another reorganization for the new PNP chief. But what I'm saying is, kasi as far as I understand, as far as I remember, during the previous hearing, even the Directorate for Finance, nandito nung last hearing, in the person of General Dongbo. Kasi ang question doon is with regards to the budget. Now, can you answer if ever I will ask you about the budget for the body-worn cameras? Previously, what was been released, saan ang galing, then at present, ang present na necessary units or numbers of body-worn cameras na kailangan talaga. Kasi on record, if you check the record, there are records. But of course, every year may mga recruitments and that happens last year. Now, can you answer? I'm sorry, sir, I cannot answer because sa Directorate for Operations ako. Pero, Chairman, yun yung problema. Kasi you know for the fact that this is a bill with regards to body worn cameras. And kayo mismo nagreklamo that time. Well, in fact, I'm talking with the Chief PNP that time during the budget. I'm talking also to Police Major General Paco, which happened to be the previous regional director in my province, in my region. We discussed it in the plenary. Now, kasi ang gusto ko makita doon, in relation to the provisions that was raised by the DOJ.
Sir, I have a representative from the Directorate for Logistics who can say something about the matter, sir. If you allow, sir.
Before we proceed, the chair would acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Bonifacio L. Busita, representing One Rider Party List. May I know the request of
Thank
the
you,
PNP?
Mr. Chair.
The Directorate for Logistics daw, kung pwedeng ma-recognize.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We have Police Captain Corporal.
Good morning, sir. I'm Police Captain Corporal, the representative of Directorate for Logistics, sir. Sir, based on our record, sir, previous procurement, sir, we have received a 334 million from the Congress introduced adjustment, sir, in GAA fiscal year of 2018, sir. And during the Procurement Management Committee final planning, the PNP deemed it's best to procure not just units of body-worn cameras alone. Instead, a comprehensive body-worn camera system was proposed encompassing personal computers, software, and hardware, sir. Then the PMC determined that the approved budget for the contract amounts to 330,994,830, sir. And the first public bidding took place on November 27,
Huwag na
2018.
tayo magdetalye doon sa mga
Yes,
public bidding. Now, question is, you were given 334 million. That was 2017 budget deliberation. Then it was implemented 2018, tama? Fiscal year 2018. Okay. Now, ilang units yun na na-produce ng 334 million?
Sir, the budget produced 2,696 body-worn cameras.
Okay. Diyan na muna tayo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 226 at
2,696, sir.
696.
Yes, sir.
Body-worn cameras out of the 334 million, napakamahal. Tama.
How much per,
Yes, sir. The unit of the body-worn camera alone, sir, is 25,950 each, sir.
O, 25,950, napakalayo.
Yes, sir.
2,334 million yung binigay sa inyo, 2,600 plus lang units.
Yes, sir, because, sir, it includes different hardware, software, sir, since we bought that time body-worn camera system, sir.
Ayun yung problema nyo. Mr. Chairman, alam mo, we have to check. Kasi, that budget allocation was given to the PNP, that 334 million, as far as I remember, during that time, hindi nga nasa NEP yan, di ba? That was adjusted during the GAB.
no.
Nasa NEP ba yun? Parang hindi nasa NEP.
The initial amount for the purchase of 2,000 body cameras was inserted by the Honorable Lauren Legarda, if my memory serves me right. Yun ang initial, yung first.
So, yun ang ganito, Chairman, kasi if that budget is intended for body-worn cameras, ang problema, they only produce around 2,600 because the other amount or most of the amount goes to computers and everything. Tama?
Yes, sir, hardware and software, sir.
Paki-explain nyo kasi how the body camera works. What are the necessary equipment that are connected to the body camera? Hindi, para malaman ng mga members kung ano talaga. Kasi yung body camera works as a system, with the system.
Correct.
So, explain ninyo yung marunong sa inyo dyan.
So, before we proceed, before you answer that, Congressman Busita is acknowledged as well. So, na-acknowledge mo na. Okay, so ang binabanggit ni Congressman Vice Chairman Ako, kasi meron yan software, meron yan hardware, ganyan yan di ba? May system, tapos may mga docking. I-explain nyo yun. Kasi kapag sinabi natin, katulad nun, 334 million for 11,900 units of body-worn camera. Pag dinivide namin yan dyan, magugulat na kami. Kasi, talagang ang laki ng presyo. Katulad nung unang nag-hearing tayo dito. Kaya you have to be equipped with all the necessary documents pertaining to the purchase. So, yung tinatanong niya, i-explain nyo o yung pagkaka-breakdown. Sige, go ahead, PNP. Sige, Congressman Paduana, please.
Actually, Mr. Chairman, the budget that was released for the PNP is around is 334 million, but the budget that goes to the body-worn cameras without other infrastructure spent, it's around almost 70 million lang po. Kasi you mentioned a while ago that the price of each body-worn cameras is only 25,000. So, 67,250,000 lang yung pumunta doon sa body-worn cameras. Anyway, pag-isubmit na lang po yung report niyo with regards to that, yung 334 million. Tapos yung actual, ano ba yan? Of course, it goes through a procurement processes, no? May bidding, etc., etc. So, now ang question is, again, you have requested the budget for 2024. Budget for body-worn cameras. Now, yung out of 334, 67 to 70 million ang pumunta doon sa cameras. Yung infrastructure nyo na ginawa, do we need again to allocate a budget for that?
Or camera na lang.
Kailangan kasi yung body-worn camera, we're talking about the 2,600 units.
Hindi kasi ganito, Chairman.
Okay, sige, go ahead.
Out of 334, 70 million lang pumunta. More or less. Okay. Now, ang justification is the rest goes to infrastructure for that body-worn cameras to be operational. Now, out of the 2,690 or 2,600 plus units,
ang alam ko, ilan na lang ang gumagana.
I will be correcting you, Congressman Paduano, on that matter, no? Dito, nabasa ko, 334 yung binigay natin pondo. Tapos, nag-bid siya, ang ABC niya, 333 million. But, ang nanalo is 228 million. Yun ang exact price, ha? And then, yung body-worn camera na pinambili nitong 228 million, 11,900 units yung body-worn camera. Hindi siya 2,000,
But ang report nila is only 2,600.
11,900 yan, yung sa 228 million, ha? Hindi siya yung, baka kasi ang sinasabi nito mga to, yung 2,600 units, additional yon, ha? Hindi yan kasama dun sa 228 million.
We're talking about the 2018 budget.
Yes, 2018
The
budget. 2018, 334 yung inalat natin doon, 228 yung nanalong bidder.
Pero yung units na...
Yung units is 11,900.
ba't sabi nila 2,600 plus
No,
lang?
mali yun. Mali yung 2,600 na units na sinasabi.
As far as I remember, that was also the figure given to us by General Dongbo.